Hi, it's Mark from Phace Installations and welcome to another video from our YouTube channel. We've got an absolutely beautiful Mercedes SLK 2015 in for front and rear sensors. Now you can see here clearly the bumper, no sensors on the rear, no sensors on the front. Now if you've ever driven one of these or you've got a Mercedes SLK, the visibility is not the best and the bumper is very low to the ground. So we'll really need front sensors on these and rear. So as you can see here, we're going to put 4 sensors along the front. Well, you can see as well, it looks like it's already had a bit of a touch up at the bottom there. There's a bit of touch up marks there. So it's obviously had a scrape or something beforehand. So most likely why the customer wants to bring it in for front and rear sensors. Anyway, let's get on, get this installed, and we'll show you after the break what we've done. Right, welcome back. So you can see clearly on the rear 4 new sensors. These are all sprayed to match the exact colour of the vehicle. So we get the paint code from the customer. Once we've got that code, then we go to the manufacturer of the sensors, get them to spray it in exactly the same. And then when they arrive to us, they're ready to go and we'll get them all fitted in nicely. Again, 4 sensors situated there over the front of the vehicle. Nice, looks really, really smart, looks factory fitted, you wouldn't know any different. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, the sensors are activated for the rear, and we fitted an activation switch for the front sensors so you can turn them on and off at will. So when you're in parking, when you're in traffic jam and you're very close to a car in front, you can just turn them off so they don't constantly beep. And I'll show you how all this works now. And we can't have any radio playing or anything like that, so we've had to cut any sound just in case because of copyright. So let's get this vehicle into reverse. Walk in slowly. Right, so let's just show you the front sensors and how they're operated. So put this into drive. Make sure we turn the sensors on. You can see we're very close to an object anyway. Let's flick the sensors on so you can see how close you are to something. Now you'd probably have stopped now anyway to park, but look how close. It's very difficult to see the front of this vehicle. So you've got really, really close. You would never have got as close to that without sensors. And let's jump out the vehicle and show you how close you can get on a solid beep. Now if you think of that as a wall, you're about 30 centimetres away from the wall there. So very well protected. Great job. Front and rear sensors all done on this 2015 Mercedes SLK. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.